Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create Solflare wallet. For that, make sure you have the application. Now you'll be led to this kind of page. Now here, if you already have your account, then you can tap on Restore Wallet. But we are about to create a new wallet, so we need to tap on the first option. Now this kind of interface will appear. Your recovery phrase is a backup key for your wallet. Now you need to write down the recovery phrase in a safe place so you don't risk losing your funds. You should never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Now tap on Continue. Now this kind of interface will appear. Simply tap on Show. Now you can simply copy this recovery phrase or you can write it down somewhere else. After you are done, you can simply tap on Continue. Now a confirming recovery phrase page will appear. Here you need to choose according to the question that they have asked. What is the third word in your recovery phrase? You need to check it on the phrase that you have copied earlier and simply tick over here. Again, they will be asking you second question. What is the 11th word in your recovery phrase? You need to follow the same process. After you are done, you can tap on Continue. Now you need to enter yourself a new passcode. And now you can see that your Solflare wallet has been created. And this is how easily you can create Solflare wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.